this is my forge stand. Obviously it's upside down right now. Holds my forge on there. I wanted to make a stand to hold my tongs at the right level. I've seen other guys on TV that have like own separate stands. I'm making one that's attached to the forge stand. I'm gonna see how it works out. It's kind of my own little design. So this piece of rebar can slide back and forth in here. I started to weld the one up in the middle.
What size nuts are those?
Those are 5/8, and I drilled them out so this rebar would fit in there. And it fits nice and snug. And then on the end of this, I'm gonna make another little T-part that comes off so you can sit your tongs right on top of there, and you can be able to adjust it in and out however long you want, or you could use it from either side. Maybe even make a thing so I could put a brick on one side or tongs on the other. And I'm kind of just like designing it as I go along. I think it'd be pretty cool.
Go.
Okay. Well, my tong.
When I say go, give me like 2 seconds and then go, because I have to edit and it's really tight. Go ahead. And go.
Okay, for my tong stand.
Give me 2 seconds when I say go. Oh my God. Go.
1,000, 2,000. For my tong stand, I'm in a piece of rebar and one of the nuts on the bottom. You saw earlier. This slide right in. Nice and snug. Like this, so it gets it so it's nice and snug at the end. Slide this on there. It can go all the way through there, but I like it nice and snug so this doesn't roll. Adjust this when you want. Tap a little hole in there. Voila. Whether it works or not, I don't know. My first anvil stand, first forge stand, and first tong stand. So my stands are done. I'm gonna move the anvil over here on the concrete, and I'm gonna silicone it down like Jason Knight suggested. I think that's a great idea. I probably redheaded it in the concrete so it doesn't move around. And I'm ready to start making some knives.
Go.
Hasn't been 2 seconds yet. Okay. Silicone. I silicone it to the stand. I silicone it under the legs. And then I redheaded it into the concrete. This thing is solid, it's not going anywhere. Supposedly the silicone will help it from ringing too much. It kind of deadens the sound, from what Jason Knight said. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. But I don't think this puppy's gonna move anywhere. I think it's solid, it's not going anywhere. And there's my forge stand, my little chingadera I made for the tongs. Whether it works or not, we'll find out.
What did you call it?
You need to use your chingas, man. Chingadera. It's the ching chang. So you need to use every tool in your whole garage to do this shit. I got stuff everywhere, man. So yeah, there it is.